Today, we're going to build upon a previous video we did about how we placed 3 EV engineers in 30 days and got them working in the United States on the TN visa program. So we're going to kind of go behind the scenes to explore what made that possible. Because the truth is, finding the candidate is one piece, making sure the role actually qualifies under the TN visa program, that is a separate challenge. And this is where a lot of companies run into problems. So what they do is they'll define the role based upon operational needs. They might title it something like a field technician or an installer, but those titles, they don't always align cleanly with TN visa categories. So even if the person is qualified, sometimes companies describe the role in a way that don't clearly support the TN visa program. Now at 3A Immigration Services, this is exactly where we step in. So what we do is we structure the role from the beginning with the TN visa in mind. So that means you got to be really intentional about 3 things. First up is going to be the job title. So roles like this, you're typically looking at either the engineer category or the engineering technician category, a SciTech. Now, choosing between those 2 options, it really makes a difference. It matters. So engineer roles tend to support higher wage levels and they have broader responsibilities, but they also need to clearly reflect kind of engineering level work, like systems design for EV chargers, on-site diagnostics, field commissioning, testing protocols, and performance verifications. Now, on the other hand, engineering technicians or SciTechs, that could also fit the role as well, but it needs to be clearly structured to support the work of a supervising engineer and not operating independently. Now, these guys, they might perform tasks like wiring validation, software configuration, or data logging during testing. Second, next up, you got the responsibilities. So what we do is we make sure the role clearly reflects, system level troubleshooting on high and low voltage circuits and network systems, technical analysis of electrical and software issues, engineering decision making during installation, calibrating, and commissioning. We're talking coordinating with software platforms to verify connectivity and remote monitoring. We're not just talking installation or manual tasks. All right, number 3, third up, we've got the role, it's got to fit into the company. So we talk about reporting lines, scope, and documentation. They all need to support that this is a professional level position and they got to match the category that you're using, because that is where it gets evaluated. Now, we also make sure engineers have the right tools, the right protocols, and safety procedures so that when it comes time to move forward with the TN visa process, you don't have to rewrite the role. There's no backtracking and there's no confusion about how it fits because it's already aligned. And that's really the key. So with TN visas, you don't fix the role later. You design it correctly from the beginning. At 3A Immigration Services, we help EV and infrastructure teams hire globally and deploy talent into the United States the right way. So if you think this approach could help you to maintain and grow your company, reach out to us for a free consultation. Let's discuss.